Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to update PlusAgency to PlusAgency version 2.7 to the latest version. So before we proceed, we have to keep some notes in mind. First one, the version should be minimum 2.5 to update to the latest version. Anything lower than 2.5 won't be able to use this updater. There will be two updater files. After you download the latest files from Envato, the updater is 2.5 to 2.7 zip and updater 2.6 to 2.7 zip. So in this video we are going to update from 2.6 to 2.7, so we are going to use this. The update procedure is absolutely same. So if you are updating from 2.5 to 2.7, use this zip file, and if you are updating from 2.6 to 2.7, use this. So we are going to use this as we are updating for 2.6. The procedure is absolutely same, just exchange the zip file depending on your version. Okay, now one thing to keep in mind, that you must keep backup of your previous version files and the database SQL file. If any data is lost, then we cannot take the responsibility because of your lost data. So you need to, this will be in two parts. The update procedure will be in two parts. So one is, you have to download the files from your live server and install it in local machine, in localhost, and the other part is update the site in your localhost and upload back to your live server. So first of all, in this video we will install the live files which are in your live servers, the files in your live servers in the localhost. So let's begin with the procedure. You need two tools before we proceed. First one is XAMPP. Download the XAMPP file from this link. We will add this link in the documentation too. And you have to download and install the Composer. Just go to download Composer and click on the composer setup.exe and install it. Okay, so we have to first of all zip these files in your live server. So you have to compress the files and zip it. So we have already zipped the files, so we are not going to do this. So now download the files, download the zip file. So we are downloading the zip file, and we will take this zip file and install in our local machine. So as you can see, we have downloaded our files from live server. If you have downloaded and installed the XAMPP, then you will have a XAMPP folder in your C drive. But if you have chosen different drive during installation, it will be in that drive. In my case, I have chosen D drive during installation, so the XAMPP folder is in my D drive. So I am going to copy this file, go to D drive, XAMPP, and then go to htdocs. Here I will create a new folder named PlusAgency 2.6 and paste our zip file and extract it. So we have completed our extraction. Now you have to delete the zip file. Now go to your live server and go to the phpMyAdmin. After that, you have to export your previous database. Just click on the database on your database previous and click on export and go and click on the go. So then you will find a SQL file in your downloads folder. So we have got an SQL file in our downloads folder. This is the file we have exported from our live server. Now we need to import it in our localhost phpMyAdmin. So we have to go to localhost. Before that we need to start our XAMPP. So search for XAMPP here, click start on these two. Now you have to wait for a while to start it properly. Now go to localhost, click on phpMyAdmin, there create a new database, PlusAgency 2.6, name it as you want. We are naming it PlusAgency 2.6. Now create it and import the exported files which we have exported from our live server. Now click on go. So as you can see, we have successfully imported the database. Now go to the htdocs folder where we have created the folder PlusAgency 2.6, D drive, XAMPP, htdocs, and we have created this. So go to the core folder in the env folder, env file. Here you have to give the database name PlusAgency 2.6. The name we have given in our localhost phpMyAdmin during creating the database. Now the default username is root and the default password is null for localhost. Now save the files, press Ctrl S to save this file. Now go to the browser and type localhost / the folder name you have created in htdocs PlusAgency 2.6. So enter this. Okay, we did a mistake here. We have put wrong database name in our env file. So let's go back to the env file and correct it. This is the env file which is located in the folders core folder. Here htdocs, the folder, and in the core folder the env file. Here we have corrected the database name. Now let's re-render this. Now we can see we have successfully installed our files from live server to the local host in our local machine. So now we have to update this site. In the next video we will do that and upload it back to the live server. Thank you for watching.